What's up, YouTube family? Welcome back to another video. So as you guys can see from the title of the thumbnail, we are rebuilding a Redeye 300. Now, this car is not mine. It is a good customer of mine. He wants to take care of the whole car. So no further ado, let's go ahead and get started with this video. All right, YouTube, so this is the car. It doesn't look too bad, but I'm gonna go over with you guys a lot of the things that we're gonna have to take care of. First things first, as you guys can see, the headlights are cracked. It has a mismatched front crash bar. The hood needs to be replaced. Most obvious thing you can tell is that it is mismatched paint. Car has a lot of this rust and tar sitting on the paint. Bunch of dents, body damage. Seats are the wrong seats. Fronts don't match the back. Backup camera currently does not work. Tail lights are not wired properly. Rear bumper is missing a diffuser, side markers, and the trim. Guys, that was a quick little summary of everything as far as cosmetic that he needs. He does need some suspension work. He needs some minor mechanic work done. The car is misfiring. This needs to get buttoned up. It should not have zip ties here, so let's go ahead and get rid of all this. So this video may be a much longer and spread it because we had to order about 12 different things on eBay, but we already got the hood. We already got the bumper. So let me show you guys exactly what we have ordered so far. We had ordered a wing for the car. We ordered the upper shroud for the front bumper. We ordered a fog light. We ordered rear bumper lights, side markers, fenders, and new headlights. Currently cleaning the headliner for him. I'm going to show you guys that. Any of my viewers are interested on buying my Gen 2, DM me on Instagram, srt.book. She's officially up for sale. I had my fund has completely put together. I'm ready to rebuild something new. Anybody interested, just message me. One of the cleanest second gens you're gonna find. Clearly it is dirty. That's because we got snow in Philadelphia and I took it drifting in the snow. All right, guys, so we are about to put the headliner in. We're officially finished. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get the car in the garage. We're gonna swap out the hood, possibly throw the front bumper on just because. All right, let's go ahead and move this hood. Pop that latch for me. It don't work. You gotta like separate it with your hand. There you go. Just like that. So we're gonna take a pause real quick. I found some suede and black seats on Facebook Market. I'm gonna go pick them up from him. So let's go ahead and get the truck. Pick you guys up after I get them. All right, YouTube, so we are officially back. Let's go ahead and remove all the seats. Once we are ready to put the new seats in, I will show you guys what we picked up. Just look at that, y'all. This is not how a HELLCAT 300 is supposed to look like. Let's go with this. It wants to come off. Yeah. Seats out. This, y'all, not even bolted. crazy to me. Comes right out. Check it out, y'all. So we got the interior fully cleaned up. Time to throw the new seats in. Huh? You might need that love. Alright, YouTube, so we just wired up the Wraith lights. Let me show you guys what it looked like. On. Damn. Let's go ahead and cut the lights off real quick. And as you guys can see, we got the front seats on, the rear seats in. Big difference from the other seats. Go ahead and cut the lights off. Check it out. By the way, guys, this is 600 pieces. So if you guys inquire about it, you guys will know exactly what it looks like with the 600 piece. All types of modes, different colors. Alright guys, so this might look like a headache, but I am currently wiring a new, I guess you could say, gas button, because this is a Redeye swap, and instead of him getting the push ones, I'm just going to make my own button for the gas caps. So stay tuned for that. Let's go ahead and get this wired up. I've been working on this for the past 40 minutes. Alright guys, so interior is fully back together. As you guys can see, this is the button for the gas cap. Whenever you hit it, gas cap opens. He didn't have the newer year pop out ones, so we made a custom button. This is a Redeye swap, as some of you guys know. The newer years doesn't have the plugs for it to pop out. You just push it and it pops out. In this case, I made a custom button. For our YouTube family, we're going to wrap the video right here. If you guys enjoyed this video, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and I will catch you guys on the next video. Can you run it up?